So now, if you didn't know, this is the first time you're seeing me, I've got courses where I walk you through how to get into cybersecurity, how to do risk management framework, how to do information system security officer work, how to get 6 figures in it, how to do your resume. And those are all on ConvoCourses.com if you're interested. And if you guys have any questions, happen to be watching, this is a great time to ask those questions while I'm on live. Any questions you have? Okay, here's one. So Ronnie asked me, said that they purchased the course and they wanted to know how to contact me. So yeah, if you want me to review your resume or you want some personal advice or anything like that, I don't have like a mentor program or anything like that just yet. But what I do is if somebody pays, I'll sit there and I'll answer questions or anything that you want. And here's my contact information. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Contact info kind of might be blurry against this. So there we go. That's my contact info. Best way to contact me. Let me see. There was another question. Comments, complaints. There was another one I wanted to answer here live. Okay, here we go. Michael asked me, says, Bruce, good morning. They were already enrolled. Oh, when they clicked on the poem section, it said it was already enrolled. Because here's some information for everybody. So if you go into this course right here, which is a paid course, but there's a free portion for this particular course. Once you enroll, you can actually see the free portions of the course. Let me see. There's a free preview. And so once you log in, you'll be able to check and see the free previews. And let me see if the one he's talking about is here. Poem one. This right here, not this one. This one right here, I put all of these for free temporarily if you want to go through Poem. Really, it's just for Michael because Michael asked me a lot of questions about Poem and I really want him to get it. So I made this portion of it free. So if you log in right now, you can go ahead and check that out. It's a walkthrough of how to do a plan of action and milestone. I go in more in depth in each one of the security families, and I'm going to add more security families, and I'm going to talk about POAMs and system security plan and how to write it, what's the theory behind it, what's some gotchas that you might want to pay attention to, stuff like that. So Michael, if you're watching this, it seems like there's some kind of a glitch because it's now free. Like you can now, if you're in there, you should be able to see this. So I would advise you to do is maybe unenroll in this particular one and then re-enroll and see if that clears it up. If not, just contact me directly. We'll get it fixed because you should be able to see that. All right. I think there was another question on email. Yeah, I guess that was it. Kiko says, please start a mentor program. Yeah, I have to to really have the time to do that. I have a full-time job and I'm actually learning myself. Like I have a continued learning process where I'm getting in when I would really love to share this with you guys, but I have to get to a point where I'm very comfortable with it. This is something I'm doing right now, but it's cyber threat intelligence integrated with cyber threat analysis, and it's a little bit more technical, and it gets into certified ethical hacking stuff and all of that. So I'm actually on the back end, I'm doing that stuff and going deeper in it, and actually have clients and stuff that I work with to do that kind of stuff. So it's fun. I don't feel like I'm ready to teach it yet, but all of that training, the learning that I do myself takes some time. So that's why I have not done a mentor program yet. And maybe one of these days I would like to do something like it, but for now, don't have one. But that's it, guys. Thank you, Spades93. Thank you, Kiko Rose. Thank you, everybody else all you lurkers out there who are watching me. Appreciate you guys. And I'm going to break this one into parts and reshare it so that it's focused on specific topics. And to everybody who's bought Of course, you guys are supporting a black-owned business. So it's really helped out me and my family a lot. I really appreciate everybody who has participated in this. I'm doing something I enjoy doing. Like, I like to teach. I like to talk about cybersecurity. It's something I really like to do, and to be paid to do that is really incredible. So thank you guys for the opportunity. Thank you for supporting a black business. We'll get all these disasters. We'll get through it together. I'm super positive about the outcomes for the future. I'm positive after going on that march. I'm super happy to see the young people coming together. I know you look on the news and there's all this crazy stuff happening, but I really see hope for humanity going forward, long term. Right now it's dark. Right now it's winter time for us as a species, but I think eventually we'll get our stride, we'll get our rhythm, and maybe we'll work together and see how small and ridiculously irrelevant and stupid it is to hate each other because of a race.